everyone, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of this particular eye makeup look, which is perfect for date night. Date nights are always exciting, be it with your partner or your friends, and if you have the perfect makeup going on, then it just adds to the excitement, you feel so confident and you feel so good. It's a very easy and beginner-friendly eye makeup look, guys, and I will be using my favorite products from Maybelline to create this look. This is going to be a drugstore tutorial. You'll find all the shade names along with the details in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. Now without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. I will start with filling up my brows, and for that I'll use this product. It's Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pencil in the shade Natural Brown. I've been loving Maybelline's Tattoo Brow range, guys. It gives such a natural definition to your brows. The shape of the tip of this pencil is such that it is very easy to fill up your brows. It gives a very natural defined look, and another plus is that it comes with a dense spoolie. It does look quite natural on the brows, doesn't look over the top at all. The next product which I'm going to use is another favorite from Maybelline's Tattoo Brow range. It is their Tattoo Brow Gel. This one is in deep brown shade, and I've spoken about this product in the past as well. It keeps your brows in place for the longest time. It is a very easy product to apply, guys. The application with its two-way mini brush is effortless, and it is smudge proof, transfer proof and waterproof. It also gives a very fluffy and full natural look. Now moving on to eye makeup, I'll use this beautiful palette from Maybelline. It's this City Mini palette in the shade Brooklyn Orange. This is a super handy palette. It comes with this mini brush. There are 6 shades in it. It's like the perfect orange toned palette. It's got a mix of shimmers and matte shades, and all these shades are really pigmented and very easy to blend as well. I'm going to use the brush and the applicator which came with this palette, and first I'm going to take this shade from the palette and apply it all over my lid. I've packed that shade on my eyelids, and now I'm going to apply this beautiful shimmery shade. Again, I'm going to apply it all over my lids. After applying the shimmery shade, there's just one last thing which I'm going to do. I'm going to take this particular shade over here, and with my ring finger, I will place it right in the center of my eyelid. Just this much. The next product which I'm going to use is Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. This is a sketch liner, guys, and it has like a super precise tip. It's also jet black. With this product, I am going to create a half liner. It's going to be a very thin line just near my lashes. I'm not creating a wing with it. This liner is waterproof, it is intensely pigmented, and it lasts up to 36 hours. It really doesn't budge from the lids. This is the liner which I created with this eyeliner, guys. It has a nice definition to this eye look. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Tattoo Studio Smoky Gel Pencil. I'm going to apply this pencil on my waterline. This gel pencil is highly pigmented and it lasts for a long time. It is smudge resistant, fade resistant and sweat resistant. After applying the smoky gel pencil on my lower and upper waterline, I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette again. I'm going to take this brown shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it lightly on my lower lash line. Now moving on to mascara. The mascara which I'm going to use is Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This mascara comes with a flex brush which makes the application so easy. The formula is lightweight and it is waterproof. It adds so much of length and volume to your lashes. The eye makeup is complete, guys. I'm going to finish this look with a gorgeous lip color. I'll use Maybelline Superstay Matting in the shade Voyager. This one is definitely the most long-lasting liquid lipstick, guys. It's perfect for date night. It is highly pigmented, transfer proof and gives a flawless matte finish. And that's it. This is the final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to share your recreations of this look with me. I would love to see your own version of it. Do consider checking out the Maybelline products which I use. They are easy on the pocket and they perform so well. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!